you're a fan of zesty, tangy flavours and succulent chicken, then this lemon chicken piccata is the one for you. I'm going to walk you through this recipe step by step from pan-searing the chicken to creating that beautiful velvety lemon sauce, so you'll get the perfect lemon chicken piccata to put on your table. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now we're going to start this lemon chicken piccata by preparing the chicken, and I've got 4 small chicken breasts here to serve my family of 4. So let's get cooking. Place your first chicken breast between a large piece of folded parchment and pound it with a rolling pin to make it flatter. We want it about 1 centimetre thick. Then repeat with the remaining 3 chicken breasts. To a shallow bowl, add 60 grams or half a cup of plain all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of finely grated parmesan, half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then mix it all together. We're going to dredge those chicken breasts in the flour mixture to fully coat them. Now heat up 2 tablespoons of neutral oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Add the chicken breast to the pan and then cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and cooked all the way through. Then we want to remove the chicken from the pan and place it on a tray, and place it in a low oven to keep warm while we make the sauce. Turn the heat of the pan down to medium and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once that butter's melted, we're going to add a large finely diced shallot and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until softened. Now add in 2 minced cloves of garlic and cook for 30 seconds, stirring constantly. Next in goes 120 ml or half a cup of white wine, and then we want to turn up the heat and allow that wine to bubble for 1 to 2 minutes until it's reduced by half. Now add 360 ml or 1½ cups of chicken stock. Bring that to the bubble and let it bubble for 3 to 4 minutes until slightly reduced. Now turn that heat back down to medium and add in 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, which is the juice of about 1½ lemons. Plus 2 tablespoons of capers in brine that have been drained. And 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh parsley, and stir it all together. If you want to thicken the sauce a little, you can add in a cornflour slurry, which is 1 teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch in the US, mixed with 1 tablespoon of cold water. Just stir that in until the sauce thickens. Now add the chicken breasts back to the pan and spoon over that delicious sauce, and we're ready to serve. I like to slice up those chicken breasts and serve on top of a bowl of linguine, and then spoon over that tasty, zesty sauce. Sprinkle over a little more parmesan and fresh parsley, and then garnish with some fresh lemon slices. And there you go, a 30-minute dinner that's absolutely packed with flavour and a little bit different from your regular chicken pasta dinners. And if you really like those lemony flavours, then check out my pan-fried salmon with creamy lemon spaghetti.